Buenos tardes. Yo donde media Medellin y Bogota, Colombia. I'm in between both right now. We drove all the way up on our bike and extremely dangerous bike riding. The most dangerous I've ever driven. The roads are, well, like this. With some big ruts, and then you just go off like a cliff and you'll drop 50 feet with no guardrail. So these are cows, little baby calf, well, not a little baby, but calves and cows here. So this is really really a cool area. So I will ask and see if there are some other things around the area here. I have my camera. I don't have any survival gear other than Spanish and some money. So with further ado, shalom from Colombia. Bye-bye.